Welcome back to another full eating video. Today we got Jet's Pizza, classic Detroit style pizza, and we have leftover cane sauce from this past weekend. And also very giving in terms of them giving me two massive ranch things from Jet. So very appreciative. Cheddar pour some of cane sauce. Had to make use of my leftover cane sauce. Oh, okay. For a second I thought I forgot napkins. I don't know what it is lately, but I've been I'm trying not to have it carry over into the month of May. But it's like in a big procrastinator mindset all of April, to be honest. Ooh. So I'm trying to adjust the mic a little bit. Some ranch. I honestly was just expecting it to eat it with the cane sauce. Then they asked me if I wanted ranch or mozzarella marinara sauce. And I was like, can I have two? And they're like, yeah. And then I didn't know it was gonna be this big though. So that means I have plenty of ranch for lunch and stuff. Thing that my camera's about to die, so I have to keep checking on it. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. I put my batteries to charge, and I don't know, it's English is messing up again. It's where I can't even though it's plugged in, it shows that it's charging, it's just not charging. Very frustrating. I mean, I obviously still like ranch better with pizza, but cane sauce isn't bad with it either. I got a large, but like I wasn't really sure what the sizing differences were. There's a $5 coupon, which is why I got the large versus like a medium or something. But I had no clue the sizing difference, so I was like, I'll just get a large just in case. My girlfriend started watching Blue Lock, and I read up to chapter like 200 something of it, and I need to get back into it because obviously it's really good. I'm glad I didn't watch. Excuse me. I mean, she's watching the anime. She's on the first season. I hear that like the animation quality goes down by a lot during the second season. I'm not really 100% sure. It's what a friend told me. But I've read up to chapter 200 past like, you know, them playing Japan's, was it under 20 team or whatever it is and stuff like that. And then them now, I guess, playing against 4 of the best players in the world. I keep wondering if I keep putting my mic too low. I can't really tell. I don't really know like a good place to put it yet. Because like, it's hanging on my shirt a little bit, but. Now this is the same size as like the Little Caesar deep dish, and with a $5 coupon after tax it was like 19. Now the quality is obviously better, but obviously if you're a fan of the price, I don't think there's anything wrong with Little Caesar deep dish. They're Detroit style. Also, I feel like this is a little thinner too. I feel like Little Caesars is a lot of bread. While this isn't. Which isn't bad. I got like the all meat version of it. Oh. Definitely heavy though. I almost forgot my water. Yeah, the only thing that sucks about some mangas sometimes on some of the websites and stuff that I read it on, you can only read up to a certain amount of chapters, and afterwards it's like, oh, you have to earn this amount of points or something. But then if you go on like, you go online, try to read them on like other websites, you get like all these errors, like these type of errors, like I don't know, you know, the weird ads. You get sent to all these ad pages and stuff, and it gets really annoying sometimes, which really sucks, dude. But I mean, not all of them are bad, obviously. Like if there's not a set website, like what's it, Manga Dex or whatever it is, like that one's not that bad. Like you don't really get sent to like other places. For manhwas, I think Astra Scans is like a really good one. I mean, there's tons out there, right? I mean, I'm sure they're trying to weed all of them out and get rid of them to begin with, but all these, you know, third-party places that, you know, translate and everything. Like I didn't expect like with Story of Wine and Sword be so hard to read all the chapters of. For being animated, I just thought it'd be way like, you know, on more websites online and stuff. This is no joke heavy. Ooh. My screen went dark again. I'm more like hot than anything. I shouldn't have put on my smart idea was wearing my sweats. It rained all day though, so like it's a little cooler. But I should have known better than to put on a pair of sweats. Oh, I guess what I haven't talked about is I went to. That's why like updating and making videos is a little slow, especially procrastination, because I went to New Orleans this past weekend, jazz festival. Saw T-Pain, saw the Eagles. We just did like one day, then just hung around New Orleans for the rest of the time. But yeah, got to see the Eagles perform. You know, who knows when their last concert's gonna be. It's supposed to be a long time ago, and they're still going. I saw T-Pain. Saw a bunch of like other, like really good local people that grew up in New Orleans area. Locals to Louisiana, I guess you'd say. Like Anders Osborne and stuff. So, but you know, we had to wait there for. I think this past Saturday was the first day that they've ever sold out in jazz festival history. I mean, also had the Alabama Shakes. So they had like Alabama Shakes, T-Pain, and the Eagles all at the same time. I mean, we got pretty close to the front of the Eagles and as much as we could for general admission. But as soon as we left the Eagles, we went over to T-Pain, and T-Pain was just as packed. So I'm not surprised they sold out. I'm surprised that was the first time in history though. The jazz festival was packed. I mean, like barely walkable this time around. It was my first time going though, so it's really enjoyable. Good food, obviously. New Orleans has great food. Obviously a lot of crawfish. I ate a lot of crawfish this past weekend. Crawfish, beignets, coffee. Obviously I had canes on the way back. What else did I have food-wise? Beignets, coffee, tons of crawfish. Oysters. Man, at the festival. I had beignets. Oh, I really wish I had a crawfish something. I can't remember what it is now. Like a crawfish pasta. I had. Yeah, it was chocolate stuffed beignet, a mango freeze, like a mango sorbet, pecans. I think I had like some type of tea. I think that's it. We ate like the strategy is to eat a lot in the first beginning of the day, and then that later on you don't like drink in the beginning, and just let it last and just sip on your drink later on. Especially if you're waiting for someone like. I mean, the Eagles was packed. I mean, people started filling up for the Eagles at like 11 a.m. as soon as it opened. And like, we got lucky. We didn't get there till 1. We slowly like moved our way up. And then made friends with the people around us. So we got a little fortunate. But, yeah, I mean, the performance didn't start till like 4:30, I think it was. So we stood there for a long time. It went till 7. So it's like staying there for like 6 hours. Which probably doesn't sound like it's worth it. to some people, but like, I mean, for like a day pass for the jazz festival, it was like $150. And I mean, we got to see other people perform, and there's tons of tents, tons of stages. Beginning 3 hours or whatever we were there, saw people, ate food, and even after watching the Eagles, went and saw T-Pain. So like, it kind of worth it. My feet were killing me though, but I felt dehydrated because the sun came out. Slow down hard. So yesterday I did at the time I'm filming this, the day before I did the candy mukbang. So I'm feeling it right now. I'm gonna set this aside so I can take another bite for the short form. Ooh. I mean, it gives me plenty of pizza to eat, so I'm not complaining. I did get a large, so it's kind of on me. All right, I think that was my last bite. If I eat anymore, I'm just forcing myself at that point. Ooh. Here, looking for my water. Yeah, so when I did this one back-to-back days just because I have to go somewhere. This being a Wednesday, May 6th, I have to go somewhere tomorrow night, Thursday, so I could not film this one tomorrow night, but then I still, because of doing that though, I didn't finish editing my other video that I was supposed to post, the candy one that I was supposed to post the short form today. That's on me for procrastinating, honestly, but I'll see both those videos will get out. But as always, thanks for watching, and I don't even know. When I do ones back to back like this, I really don't know what I'm gonna do next. I was craving pizza again. I've been on a pizza binge, I feel like. So I'll probably just do a burger place. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.